Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to look into synthetic key or synthetic table. So how do a synthetic table comes into play? So synthetic table comes into play when there is one or more column, there is basically two or more columns similar to the table which is already been loaded into the data model. So let's say I have the data here where I have salary, name, and over to the next column or next table I do have name and department. So if I load the data, I will have not face any of the issues. Let's say I have one more column over here called as salary with the same name and with the same formatting. So as you can see, it is capitalized, and if I load, you will see that you have a synthetic key. So synthetic key means that you have two columns or more columns which are similar or which is found in some of your tables. So let's go into the data model. As you can see, a synthetic table is created. Okay, a new table. We had only two tables, but we have synthetic table wherein name and salary is been listed here. Okay, so as you can see, what it is doing, it is loading all the salaries as well as the salary 111 which we actually added as a static salary. Okay, so this is a very dangerous uh, thing to have in your data model. So I recommend you to resolve it. One of the way to resolve it is you get rid of that particular column, or you just rename that column. Okay, so I'm renaming at salary one and it will be gone. Okay, or you can just identify which is the priority column that you need to keep, and then you need to remove that column. Okay, so you can actually do one more thing is, let's say salary and salary, and if you say that drop field, list the field, and you need to specify from where. So I want to drop salary from master department, then it will only drop that particular field and you will not have a synthetic key. If you don't provide this master, the table name, then it will drop your whole key. That means it will drop that whole column. That means the salary will not be available in the master or in the master department table. So you need to use the drop field in a very proper way. So I need to drop it from here. So I'm going to just specify that, and you can remove or get rid of the synthetic key. The other way is to use qualify command. So let's say if I just do like this and I just add a keyword, let's say qualify star. So what it will do is it will qualify or basically rename kind of a thing to the whole columns, and all your table will not be linked. So what it does is it is going to take your name of your table and it will say dot the column name. Okay, so it will basically rename all your columns and you will have the synthetic key removed. But this is not the solution for your problem. So your solution will be to get rid of the column by using a drop command, or you need to basically identify that yes, this is not the column which I actually need in my data model and it has absolutely no significance with my data, and then and only then you can rectify it, or you can rectify it via using some joins or some SQL queries or some SQL methods.